Hey, this is Anthony. This is that program that I just sent you an email about. It's basically like Paint, but it has a lot more features. It's really easy to use too. So you can have sort of an interactive problem-solving session, and you can upload your video straight to YouTube for whatever. You can have videos of whatever length that you want. You can have 45-minute videos, 2-hour videos, whatever you want to do. And they have videos already out there like this. There's one by Khan Academy. It's pretty similar to this, but to me, he's really kind of sloppy and jittery. And there's another guy named Derek Owens who does the same thing, but his are really good, and they're really neat and well organized, which is kind of what I'm emulating with this. If you went and looked at his, you'd see a pretty close parallel to these and his. But you can take different colors in this program, and you can um, represent different things with them. For instance, like you see this right here, this sort of magenta color could represent vectors. You could have different colors, like maybe a yellow or something, and you could represent the information that you're given, right here in the problem with that. And it would be pretty, you could say like mass equals 4 kilograms. Um, you could use that for that. And I think that maybe the blue, and it could just be a general writing, like maybe if you went to the actual problem solving bulk of the part, if you went to actually solving the problem, you could use this color. And then you could use red for algebra. Um, for instance, if you wrote something like uh, that. Um, if you wanted to, you could do something like this. And it might help because I think that a lot of the students that come into 2425 are pretty shaky on even though they're in calculus based physics, they're still pretty shaky on just the general rules of algebra. And this whole problem right here I set up right before I started this recording. But I just wanted to let you see, basically what you could do with the thing. Like if you wanted to do something like this little force diagram over here, you could do something like that pretty easily. And you can write in pretty small, which is pretty cool. It's pretty easily editable too. But the only problem that I really had with it, I guess it's not so much of a problem. It's just I guess it's wondering what you think of it. I put that in the email too. Whether or not you think people might just get on here and just look at how to do the answer and then just wouldn't really help them if they did that. But I was thinking about if there were demonstrations on here, just making them so, not like really, really elementary, but things like this, that's not necessary. But if you do things like that, the people who really need help will get on here and that would help them. The people who don't really need help, they would get just frustrated by the fact that it's going so slow, and they'd probably just try to do the problem on their own. So I think maybe you could sort of govern, what people do on here with that. But there's a few different tools. Oops, go away. There it goes. There are a few different tools that you can use to do different things. And I'm actually doing this from my house right now. But I mean, it's a small pad that you can bring pretty much anywhere you want to bring it. You just have to download the program wherever you go. Um, and you can do things like this. But if you think that it would be something that could be used, then just let me know, give me a call or send me an email or something, or talk to me at the school or something. But let me know. Bye.